Hey, if you want to customize your menu layout on the Redmi Watch 4, so what I mean, for example, you want to switch position of this apps that you have right here. For example, you want to get maybe the sleep tracking at the top, above the workout. So all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone and simply go into the Mi Fitness application. From this, you will have to scroll down and you have to select sort apps. And let me just bring, for example, maybe the camera at the top. So I have to click and hold on the three dots, and then I have to just drag it like this. There we go. And now it's actually at the top. I can also add, for example, the heart rate and maybe the SpO2. But what is actually interesting that there's like the camera shortcut, but this function actually it's not available in this watch. So, oh no, it is right here. Okay, so it was actually hidden in the menu, but right now we can actually open the camera and control the shutter. Okay, so never mind. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.